Hi, this is Kato and welcome back to Unscripted AI and Beyond. Today we're diving into Pillars 2 and 3 of America's AI Action Plan. If you missed my breakdown of Pillar 1, you'll find the link below. Pillar 2 is about building America's AI infrastructure. AI isn't just software. It's energy hungry, data hungry, and hardware hungry. And right now, our power grid and infrastructure just aren't built for it. The plan streamlines environmental reviews, fast-tracking major projects, opening federal land for data centers and energy hubs, and blocking foreign adversary tech. It also calls for a stronger, smarter power grid, powered by next-generation energy like geothermal and fusion, and for reforms to energy markets. It calls for bringing chip manufacturing back. America invented the semiconductor, so plan is to cut regulation, using AI in productions and tightening export controls to keep American advanced chips out of the wrong hands. The plan also backs military-grade data centers and classified AI environments for defense and intelligence agencies. It also invests in the workforce funding, hands-on training, and career technical education. On cybersecurity front, the plan creates a national AI information sharing and analysis center, builds AI-specific response plans, and ensures all critical AI tools are secure by design, resilient against hacking or failure. Now, on to pillar number 3. America's plan is to lead the world in AI diplomacy and security. At the heart of it is a full-stack AI export strategy, delivering trusted U.S. tech from chips to cloud services to allies while tightening controls on where that tech ends up. This effort is backed by a recent executive order on promoting the export of American AI technology. The United States is also closing chip export loopholes, setting new global security standards and pushing back against authoritarian influence in international AI governance. And finally, with AI's growing role in biotech, the plan expands biosecurity research to guard against risk like AI being misused to create harmful pathogens. That's it for today. Until next time, stay sharp.